Good morning, this is Mustafa, and I'm applying for the position of revenue operation analyst. I will just give a brief about me according to the questions that you already sent to me. Okay, first I will start with who am I and what I have been working on. Okay, I'm a data analyst at Orient Group, and Orient Group is a religious tourism company. Work with religious tourism and get paid by installments. Okay, so my job there started December 2025, 7 months ago. And within this time, I have built three Power BI dashboards connected to PostgreSQL, where I prepare the data and manage it correctly. So about these three dashboard, they were covering operation, installment collections and tracking, and also validating the process of the collection. And also the last dashboard was about sales performance and compared to the target and branches and salesperson's performance. Also, leadership, the management of this of my company adopted the three Power BI dashboard in our business operations. They use a collection dashboard to validate the process and also to check where money goes. They also use sorry, sales dashboard, sales Power BI dashboard to track the performance of the branches and the sales, and also to put the target according to the predictions or the forecasting I have put before. That's for the dashboards. I also have two models. I've built two models. Churn model. This one predicts if customer is going to be churn or he is safe in the safe place. So sales get the time to interact with him if he is going to churn. And I have built this depending on historical data, 3 years of historical data and more than 20,000 customers. The second dashboard is the one they use now for putting the targets and preparing the company for it. Preparing the company by deciding if they are going to need to, or they have the capacity to add more salespersons, or it's good now or enough now, or we need less. It's a sales forecasting model predict for the next 6 months. I used also the same historical data in this one, time series analysis to check how is it going to go for the next time for our company. What drew me to this opportunity? Okay, two things from what I did or from my previous experience lead me to this opportunity. First one, the arrears monitoring system with dashboard I already built at my work now. It's the same logic I believe the role needs. Catching a breach against a threshold early before it becomes uncoverable and avoid any defect. Okay. I also built automated data validation rules to catch inconsistency in a previously instructions reporting process. So now we can catch any inconsistency. We can predict also how much we are going to have in the next time, how his collection is gonna happen or how it's gonna go according to previous year, same time or the same season from the previous year. Okay, and the second reason that drew me to this position is my experience in real estate investment. I have an experience in real estate investment. I've worked with local real estate company as an analyst also. I helped them to develop a dashboard or a model to help clients to make decisions about where to invest and how much to invest. It helped them to in negotiating with the clients and convincing them with the right place to put their money. And it works well. They used it with many customers, and they did some success from it. And for the last question, anything a CV doesn't capture? Okay, two things. It's not mentioned in CV, but for Orient Group where I work now, the three dashboards I have built it from scratch. There was no existing tracking mechanism for any problem, and there was no direct or clear goal for what to do with this data, or what insights we can get from it, or how can we use it. So I built it from zero, and I've reached three strong dashboard that can help management to make decisions. And also I do monthly reports to the management and the stakeholders and discuss it in our meetings about the performance and where we were and where we are going to. That's number one. And secondly, if you check my GitHub, I document my projects with clear metrics and guidelines, because it's not just a practice for me, not practice exercise. It's a real work, a real metrics, a real steps can be taken to improve the business. And I always try to make it adaptable and can be used for different places, not just fixed on one company or one product. And that's it. I hope I wasn't so briefing. That's a brief about myself. So and thank you for your follow up, and thank you for your interest.